Hey folks, I'm Mr. Hartzler, and I want to talk to you about parallel and perpendicular lines and graphing those lines. First, if the option is available, use Desmos, right? So up on the top, you'll see this word Desmos. Type that into your search engine. It's a Google thing, so Chrome will work the best. But type that in there, and then off to the left, you'll have kind of these little boxes, and you can keep adding more boxes. Just click over there, or if you're in one, press the Enter key on your keyboard. And to get rid of them, you press these X's. But they're a great way. You can put a whole bunch of equations in there. And if you hit the little color to the left, you can turn them on and off, which is kind of neat. All right, so first, it asks you to graph something. And if you're using an online program, awesome. It's not going to know. Plug this thing in. You get a picture. Have it match the picture on the online program. It's awesome that way. Then, if the question is, are these two equations parallel or perpendicular? Well, looking at these two things, look at the slopes. That's the thing in front of the x. See how one is 3 and one is -3? That is almost perpendicular, but it's not. To be perpendicular, their slopes have to be the flippin' opposite. So they have to be negative and then positive. And if one's a 3, the other one has to be a 1/3. I have to flip that fraction. I have to flip the 1/3. Let's check the pictures, though. So let's pretend I don't want to learn anything about math, right? People are like that. Then I want to be over here on the left. I want to actually type these in just as they are. And then over on the right, I'm going to look at the graph. Do those make right angles? Do they crisscross exactly? No, they don't. This does not make a perfect T right there. So not perpendicular. I could have things that are, and I'll write these down, perpendicular. I could also, I didn't want to do that. All right, so ignore that. I could have things that are perpendicular, parallel, or neither. So let's look at one that might be parallel. All right, so parallel. Let's have a y equals 2x plus 1 and a y equals 2x minus 3. Let me turn these other two things off. All right, so see those two lines. Those two lines are parallel. If I zoom way out, they're never crossing each other. Now, if I change this a little bit to something like 1.2, they cross. Or, let's see, 2.1. Looks like they almost don't cross, but look, see how this in the bottom, they're way close together, and way up here, they're a lot farther apart? Not parallel. Alrighty, that's pretty much all you need for this section, folks. Good luck and have fun.